3-channel dash cam, 4K plus 1080p dual channel, a game changer for road safety and recording. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality dash cam that offers comprehensive coverage and exceptional video quality, look no further than the 3-channel dash cam, 4K plus 1080p dual channel. This device is a powerhouse of features, designed to provide peace of mind and unmatched recording capabilities for drivers. After extensively testing this dash cam, I can confidently say it's one of the best investments you can make for your vehicle. Unparalleled video quality. The standout feature of this dash cam is its 4K Ultra HD front camera, which captures crystal clear footage with stunning detail. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, the camera's advanced Sony sensor and wide dynamic range (WDR) technology ensure that every detail is recorded with precision. The 1080p rear camera complements the front camera perfectly, providing sharp and clear footage of what's happening behind your vehicle. Additionally, the interior cabin camera records in 1080p, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to monitor the inside of their car. 3-channel coverage for complete protection. What sets this dash cam apart from others is its 3-channel recording capability. While most dash cams offer only front and rear recording, this device goes a step further by including an interior camera. This triple coverage ensures that every angle is accounted for, whether you're dealing with a fender bender, a break-in, or an incident inside the vehicle. It's perfect for Uber, Lyft, or taxi drivers who need to monitor both the road and their passengers. Superior night vision. Driving at night can be challenging, but this dash cam makes it easier with its infrared night vision feature. The interior camera is equipped with IR lights that provide clear footage even in complete darkness. The front and rear cameras also perform exceptionally well in low-light conditions, thanks to their WDR technology, which balances exposure and reduces glare from headlights or streetlights. User-friendly design and installation. Setting up the 3-channel dash cam is a breeze. The package includes all the necessary cables and mounts, and the installation process is straightforward, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The dash cam features a 2.4-inch LCD screen that allows you to quickly review footage or adjust settings. The intuitive menu system makes it easy to navigate through options like loop recording, motion detection, and G-sensor sensitivity. Advanced safety features. This dash cam isn't just about recording. It's also packed with features to enhance your driving experience. The built-in G-sensor automatically locks and saves footage in the event of a collision, ensuring that critical evidence is preserved. The motion detection feature starts recording when it senses movement around your vehicle, which is particularly useful for parking mode. Additionally, the loop recording function ensures that you never run out of storage space, as it overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full. Reliable parking mode. One of the most impressive features of this dash cam is its 24/7 parking monitoring. When your car is parked, the dash cam switches to parking mode and uses motion detection to record any activity around your vehicle. This is incredibly useful for capturing hit-and-runs, vandalism, or theft attempts. The low-power consumption design ensures that your car's battery won't be drained, even during extended use. Sturdy build and compact design. The dash cam is built to last, with a durable and compact design that doesn't obstruct your view while driving. The sleek, modern look blends seamlessly with your car's interior, and the high-quality materials used in its construction ensure it can withstand extreme temperatures and vibrations. Final verdict. The 3-channel dash cam, 4K plus 1080p dual channel, is a top-tier device that delivers on every front. Its exceptional video quality, comprehensive 3-channel coverage, and advanced features make it an indispensable tool for any driver. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or someone who simply wants to protect their vehicle, this dash cam offers unmatched value and performance. For anyone serious about road safety and reliable recording, this dash cam is a must-have. It's a small investment that can save you from countless headaches in the future. Don't wait until it's too late. Equip your vehicle with the 3-channel dash cam today and drive with confidence. Rating: white medium star, 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 5 out of 5. Pros: 4K front camera with stunning clarity, 3-channel coverage for complete protection, excellent night vision and low-light performance, easy installation and user-friendly interface, reliable parking mode and advanced safety features. Cons: requires a high-capacity microSD card, not included, for optimal performance. Slightly higher price point, but worth every penny for the features offered. In conclusion, this dash cam is a game changer, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed recording solution for their vehicle.